Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something that can truly elevate your Garmin experience. The smartwatch band straps designed for the Garmin Fenix 6X Pro, 5X Plus GPS smartwatch, and even the Garmin Enduro bracelet. Many Garmin users appreciate their device's robust functionality, but often seek more versatility or comfort. This quick-release silicone strap offers practicality and style for your smartwatch. A key highlight is their impressive compatibility. Whether you own a Fenix 6X Pro, Fenix 5X Plus, or the Enduro, these bands fit perfectly. This broad compatibility is a huge plus, allowing use across different devices. The quick-release mechanism is a game-changer, enabling effortless swapping. No more fumbling with tiny tools. It's a simple slide and click, making it convenient to switch between a sporty look for workouts and a more casual appearance for daily wear. The silicone material is an excellent choice for active individuals. It's renowned for durability, flexibility, and resistance to sweat and water, crucial for anyone using their Garmin for sports, hiking, swimming, or daily life. It feels comfortable against the skin, avoiding stiffness or irritation during long wear or intense activity. The strap maintains a secure fit, ensuring your smartwatch stays put, providing accurate readings without feeling overly tight. Its smooth texture, combined with robustness, strikes a great balance. From a design perspective, these straps offer a clean, functional aesthetic that complements the rugged elegance of the Garmin Fenix and Enduro series. They perform well and look good. This ability to quickly customize your watch's appearance without compromising performance or comfort truly sets these quick-release silicone straps apart. For anyone looking to enhance their Garmin Fenix 6X Pro, 5X Plus, or Enduro experience, these quick-release silicone bands are a fantastic upgrade, offering superior comfort, durability, and unmatched versatility.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.